Hi, I'm Max Mishakov and I'm continuing a series of videos. I found my light mixed voice, but I can't add chest. And this video is for those of you who can't feel the chest here, who can't add the chest, who can't understand how to close your vocal cords more, thicker. So, adding chest comes from two sides, here and here, adding thicker closure to your vocal cords and adding more air pressure and more powerful breath support. Those two things come together and they can't exist without each other. So if you close your vocal cords more, I mean add chest here, you automatically add more air pressure and more power to your breath support. Those things exist with each other. They can't exist without each other. Okay, so in this video I suggest you do that. If you don't understand how to close your vocal cords more, you can start from your breath support. When you want to add more chest, pretend that you lean on the sound. Pretend that you lean on the air, or pretend that you are deflating an air mattress. Or you may pretend that you lean on something else. This feeling when you lean on something gives you more air pressure, like like this. And this air pressure will trigger adding more chest. Let me show you how to do this. For example, you can easily find your light mix like and then you want to add more chest. You lean on the air, or you pretend that you are deflating an air mattress. This is the tip for today. Thank you for watching. Write your questions.